What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy Kalin Trades back with another video, man. I just wanted to get on here really quick just to talk about some of the student wins that I've been getting in my community. It's been so crazy. Let me roll my windows up real quick, man, because we finna talk about this today, bro. We up in the Tesla, letting that junk drive us throughout the city, you know what I'm saying? That's just what we do. If y'all don't listen to Don Ruddy, Mike Teasy, or Kalin Jones, what are you doing? Get your Spotify right. Christian rap all the way. But man, this trading stuff is so crazy, bro. Like, so I've been telling y'all for a while now that I wanted to develop 10,000 profitable traders. Now, I said that I wanted to do that this year, and I'm giving myself grace because I am a new creator, and I'm a new creator, as you guys are a new creation in Christ with our Bible study and our free Discord. Hello, somebody, join that thing. But now we got a lot of people that are doing very, very well with the stuff that I've developed. I really want you guys to be a part of it, man. We got somebody who has passed their challenge for the first time. We got a few people that have passed their challenge for the first time, passed the eval. We got a whole bunch of people that have gotten their first payouts in our community. We've gotten a whole bunch of people that are making crazy profits from our automation. And the Breakaway bot, which is the automation that trades for you based off my strategy, it's we learned that it's been really, really hard to set up. Like, there's about 7 steps, and if you miss one step, then the whole thing is like completely, it's not gonna work. And because we've, you know, there's a lot of new beginner traders, honestly, I would say before you get our automation, check out the indicator first. That way you can get used to like what the strategy is. You can get used to all the small intricacies and details of the strategy first. And then when you get comfortable with that, pass a couple challenges, get a couple payouts, then go ahead and get the automation. So now you're comfortable with it and you understand, okay, this is how this works. This is what I'm supposed to do. So I would encourage that. I would also say, if you guys don't want to use any indicators, if you're anti-indicator, which I understand why people are anti-indicator, most indicators lag, most indicators, they, you know, it's all that stuff. The reason my indicator does not lag is because it sets you up for limit orders. So it has different things that happen in the market. I have a video on it, but if price shoots up or shoots down based off of my strategy, it'll tell you to do a limit order so you can get sniped in and then go in the opposite direction, sniped in, go in the opposite direction. So if you guys are full on anti-indicator of what I just said, you don't care, and you still, you know, then go ahead and get my strategy. Get my course, man. Like, get the course. It's gonna bless you, man. My goal, like I said, is to develop 10,000 profitable traders. Like, that's what I want to do so badly. Like, I want to do that badly. So get something, bro. Please let me help you, bro. Let me help you, please. But shoot, man. And even if you don't want to get none of that stuff and you want to be a part of a community, join my free Discord, man, please. Also, if you like got everything situated, you feel like you already profitable, everything's good, man, join our Bible study, join our prayer nights, man. Do something. Lock in with us, please. I'm joking. I'm not begging. We got a lot of people that are doing very well. I make myself laugh. I'm crazy. We got a lot of people that are doing very well in the community, but I'm just extending the invite to all of my subscribers, all the people that watch me, man. This trading stuff is 100% crazy. God has done so many amazing things in this journey for me and my wife, me and my family. It's so many things that's getting ready to happen. So many cool partnerships. We're gonna talk about taxes down the line in a couple months as the year comes to a close. It's just so many amazing things that God is doing, so many things that God is setting up. And I really want y'all to be a part of that thing, man. I really want y'all to be a part of it because some of you guys are so close to obtaining profitability. Some of y'all are so close to obtaining profitability, man. Some of y'all are just one understanding of liquidity away. Some of y'all are one understanding of supply and demand away. Some of y'all are one understanding of fair value gaps, order blocks, smart money concepts away from understanding how the market moves, man, to really obtaining profitability. And with that being said, I really want to encourage y'all, go deeper with this thing. I hate to say it this way, we got money now, bruh. I hate to say it that way. I'm not rich by any means. Like, I just became profitable 2 years ago. Man, God is just doing some really awesome stuff, bruh. And I don't want to do this thing alone. Now I'm learning, like, I do have this kind of loyalty thing where I'm about to get a therapist. I'm about to work through all that stuff, but yeah, I just want people to be along the ride with us. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I think it's an empathy thing, because I remember what it felt like to not be profitable. Like, I remember what it felt like. And I was trying to get mentorship. Like, I was trying to get it. I was trying to get the support. I was trying to get the help. I was trying to, lock in with people. And there was always a price tag. Like, there was always a big price tag. Like, I understand you want to invest in yourself. If somebody works hard on something, you want to pay them. Like, I understand that, because I get it. You know what I'm saying? But it felt more about them getting paid than me getting help. You know what I'm saying? And so everything that I have developed inside of my community, everything that I have developed inside of my strategy, my indicator, my automation, like, it's all about how can this serve the trader best. That's why, like, with the automation, like with the bot, man, we had to have a community meeting because a lot of people were struggling with some of the same things. And like, behind the scenes, like, my team and I, we like, nah, we got to make this simple. Like, we going hard to fix things. Like, we bringing on other developers that, shoot, I paid $1,000 just the other day to try to make our automation more simple, because we realized that, people are struggling with step 2 and step 6, and they don't want to sit through all the courses. Like, we have to figure out how to do it for them. You know what I'm saying? It's like all these different things. So it's like the amount of meetings that we have over these different things that we have to offer is because we want to see traders win badly, bro. Like, we want to see them win badly, dude. And I wanted to say, I don't know why, but it's because for me, this is what I feel like God has called me to in this season. For me, when I graduated high school, which I barely did, I jumped right into ministry. I didn't go to college. So I already have this thing of like wanting to serve people. Like that's already built inside of me, because my whole adulthood was dedicated to serving people. And when I felt like God told me to focus on teaching people how to trade, it just translated over. And it's the same thing, like, where I just want to see people win so bad in this thing. So please go ahead and tap in with some of the things that we have to offer. I think it will really serve you guys best, man. We got a lot of people who are doing very, very well in the community. And yeah, go ahead and tap in to all of that stuff. And even if you are profitable, don't come in our community trying to sell stuff. We will flame you. But go ahead and be a part of some of our stuff, man. Be a part of our calls. Be a part of our free calls. Be a part of our VIP calls. We do in our VIP, we do 2 live calls a day. I hired 5 coaches so we can serve people better. You know what I'm saying? Like, we working really hard. So go ahead and tap in with all of that stuff, man. Go ahead and check this video out right here as well. Let's continue the journey of learning and growing and becoming better traders. I'll see you guys there.